meteorologist. Better segue this time than last time.
She always finds her way home.
She does. Hey, Kimmy.
Good morning to you guys. We are hanging out at the Maricopa County Home and Garden Show at the Arizona State Fairgrounds. A lot of us have, let's face it, some ugly cabinets in our homes, and we want to redo them on the cheap. We'll have some tips. Let's talk weather, though. Starting off with what we're seeing on our radar. We had some rain that moved through the valley last night. The rain is out of here. That storm has pushed off towards the northeast for the most part. Now that snow's falling in Albuquerque, but we've got snow showers that are tapering off across the high country this morning. Still looking at some rain across extreme southern Arizona. Temperature-wise right now, it's 47 in Mesa, 44 for Chandler. We've got 46 in Glendale, 44 in Peoria, 49 for Anthem, and 42 for Buckeye. If you're headed out to the park today, maybe to get some exercise in or you're walking your dog, we'll have a mix of clouds and sunshine today. At 10 a.m., 54, by 1 o'clock, 60, and by 4 o'clock, 63 degrees. So storm number 1 out of here. Storm number 2 is across the eastern Pacific right now, and that is going to move in come Monday night and into Tuesday, bringing some rain to the valley once again. But looking at futurecasts, that timeline is in the corner. We've got clearing skies for the most part this afternoon and this evening. We're looking at mostly sunny skies, but take a look at that rain across Southern California. That moves in late Monday night across western Arizona and then eventually moves into the valley come Tuesday. We're looking at maybe 1/4 of an inch to 1/3 of an inch of rain. Those highs today, 60 for Gilbert, 62 in Scottsdale, 62 in Peoria, 63 degrees for Avondale, a little bit cooler than yesterday. So your forecast for today, partly sunny, the high 63 degrees. Over the next 7 days, those highs are going to stay in the 60s, those lows in the 40s. Our rain chances Monday night through Tuesday, and then we've got a chance of rain again Thursday night and into Friday. So back out here live with me this morning, I've got Rachel from Restyle Junkie, and she's one of our vendors down here at the Maricopa County Home and Garden Show, and we are talking about ways to transform your cabinets, because let's face it, a lot of us that have cabinets that look like this.
Yes, they get kind of tired. So either you have the maple that's yellowing or you have the graham cracker colored ones like behind us, and they're oak. And people are just over it. They're great quality, but it's not on trend. So we can do lots of things to make your kitchen easily on trend so you can fall in love with your home again.
And so a quick, easy way to just maybe transform the coloring of your cabinets is with a little bit of paint and a brush.
That's it. So you can go ahead and give that a try. I'll be doing a demo on it at the seminar stage at 1 p.m. today. But just go ahead and lightly roll. So you don't want to let it slide. I'll be talking about that today. And normally, if you weren't doing the fun part of painting, you would be doing prep, because I don't care what kind of paint or where you get your tutorials from, you need to prep. That includes clean, sanding, cleaning, priming, which we're not doing right now, and then painting to get a really great finish.
And so another way besides painting our cabinets, which clearly I didn't do a great job at that, but we'll show off some molding we can put on.
So yes, there's really simple things you can do. For example, on the finish side of that gray cabinet there's some crown molding on top. The hardest part for the DIYer is the actual mitered cuts on the edge, which are the angled corners. But you know what? Get your learning curve out on some junk wood and you'll be a pro in no time. So that adds a lot of character. Also, if you've got a fake sticker on the end of your cabinet or you've got drywall underneath your island, that's such a great place to give some embellishment to and really add character to your kitchen. So a little MDF molding goes a long way. And so we have some samples of what you can do here in our booth.
And this is right over here?
So yeah, if that was originally drywall, we put some birch wood there, and that's just the before. So that's primer, and that's the molding. And then you can go ahead and when you see it's painted, that looks like a custom piece of furniture.
I love that. And so a couple of other quick embellishments. A lot of our cabinets might not have knobs on them. That's something, an easy way to glitz and glam.
Absolutely. You can get a kit with a template to put drill holes for hardware on there, and you can change that out as trends come and go, and it really is an easy way to give your home some character.
And so you have a couple of classes, seminars that are happening today, one of which is going to be on painting your cabinets. Another one.
Yes, this is a brand new one for us. So if you have genuine leather or vinyl, you don't want not bonded leather rather, but if you have regular leather or vinyl, you can easily restore it or change the color with this water-based dye stain. And so I'm going to be showing you how to do that. That's at 3 p.m. today, all on the DIY seminar stage.
All right, so Rachel with Restyle Junkie, one of about 1,000 vendors down here at the Maricopa County Home and Garden Show at the Arizona State Fairgrounds, kicks off at 10 a.m., runs until 5 o'clock this evening. Admission is going to be $8 for adults. Parking is $8. Kids 3 to 12, $1, and under the age of 3, you get in for free. But lots of inspiration. If you have a few ideas in your head and you don't know how to execute them, you can come down here, talk with the experts, see if it's something doable for yourself, and if not, you can hire them right here on the spot to carry out that work for you.